Good morning, children. In the last class, we have learned about the exact division of one digit number. Yes? Open page number 78. We'll solve the sums from this page. Okay? See here, in the divisor place 8 is there and in the dividend place 72 is there. Okay? We have to say the 8 table till you get the answer 72. Okay? The number 72. Count the 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. Yes, 8 eights are 64 and 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. Yes, this is the divisor and this is the dividend and this one is your question or answer. This you need to write here. Yes, 8 nines are 72. This we have learnt in the last class. Yes, then write this number here, then subtract the numbers. Okay, subtract the numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, now do these remaining sums. Okay, and see the next question. Find the quotient as fast as you can. This is dividend and this is divisor. Now we need to find the quotient. Okay, here in the divisor place 2 is there and dividend place 4 is there. How many times 2 is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Now in the divisor place 2 is there and in the dividend place 8 is there. Now how many times 2 is 8? 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Yes. Then in the divisor place 2 is there, dividend place 12 is there. Now 2 6 are 12. Yes. 6 times 2 is 12. And here in the dividend place 10 is there. 5 times 2 is 10. Yes, 5 times 2 is 10. And here in the divisor place 2 is there, dividend place 40 is there. Now how many times 2 is 40? 20 times 2 is 40. If you multiply 20 into 2, you will get the answer 40. Okay. Then the remaining sum, this one and these two you will solve and send me. Okay. Now see the next question, next exercise. Sort these numbers into 3 sets, each divisible by either 3, 4 or 5. Okay. The numbers divisible by 3, divisible by 4 and divisible by 4. Here in the bracket they have given some numbers. Yes, the number which is divisible by 3, that number from this box you need to write here. The number which is divisible by 4, in this number you need to write here, and same as 5. Okay. See here for example, divisible by 3, the number which is divisible by 3. See for example, 9 is there. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 times 3 is 9. That is 3 3s are 9. In simple words, children, the numbers in the 3 table from this box you need to write here in simple words. Okay, the numbers in the 4 table you need to write here and the numbers in the 5 table here. Okay, in 25 is not there in the 3 table, so you will not write this here. Okay, 5 is also not there and 27 is there. Yes, 3 nines are 27, so put a comma and write here 27. Okay, 18 is there in the 3 table. Yes, 3 6 are 18, so write 18 also here. And 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 8 is not there. And also 10 is also not there. 28 is also not there in the 3 table. 35 is also not there in the 3 table. Now 21. 21 is there in the 3 table. Yes, 3 sevens are 21. So write this 21 here. Okay. 32 is not there in the 3 table and also 16 is not there. So you will not write those numbers here. Okay. The number divisible by 3 are 9, 27, 18 and 21. Okay. The numbers divisible by 4 and 5 you need to write down here and send me. Okay. Now we'll learn about division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay. There are 5 steps to learn this method. Okay. See first step. See the example here. This is divisor and this is dividend. 2 is divisor and 97 is dividend. Yes. First step is you need to compare these two numbers. Yes. See your children in 2 table. Last 2 tens are 20 is there. Yes. But 97 is bigger than this 20. Yes. In this case, what we need to do? We need to take the number present in the ones place first and divide it. Okay. See children, in this case, what we need to do? We need to take the number present in the tens place. Only one number. This number. This is in ones place and this is in tens place. Yes. Only one number we need to take and we need to divide this number first. Okay. See here in 2 table 9 is not there. Write down the 2 table here. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. Then 2 tens are 20. Yes. Now see here in 2 table 9 is there. Here only one digit number we need to take. The number present in the tens place we need to take here first. Okay. See here in the table 9 is not there. In 2 table 9 is not there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is there. 9 is not there. In this case what we have to do? We have to take the number nearest to 9 and it should be smaller than 9. Okay. It should be near also and it should be smaller than this number. Okay. Tens place number. Okay. See here children. Smaller than 9 are 8, 6, 4 is there and 2 is there. Yes. These 4 numbers are there. But we need to take the nearest number to 9. Okay. And 10 is bigger than 9. So we should not take 10 here. Okay. The smaller than this 9 and the nearest number to the 9 we have to take. Yes. So the nearest number for 9 is 8. It is nearest and also it is smaller than 9. Yes. So we need to take here 8. Now 2 fours are 8. In the question place 4 we need to write. Yes. 2 fours are 8. Yes. We need to write this 8 under this 9 only. Okay. Don't write 8 here. We need to write this 8 below the tens place number. Okay. Below 9 you need to write 8 here. Then subtract the numbers. Okay. 9 minus 8 is, if you remove 8 from 9 you will get answer 1. Okay. Now next step is, this is our remainder. Yes. And now we have finished with the division of 9 here. Yes. Now in the ones place 7 is there, that we need to divide now. Okay. Once we have finished this, then we need to divide the number in the present in the ones place. Take this 7 here down. Okay. Beside this 1. Okay. Here remainder is 1 and 7 we need to take here down. Now the number is 17. Yes. The remainder is 1 and this 7 we have taken here down beside 1. Yes. Now we should check that in 2 table 17 is there or no. Okay. See, this is 2 table. See here, 17 is there, children? No, 17 is not there. 16 is there and 18 is there. Between these two numbers 17 will come, but it is not there in the 2 table. Yes. And nearest and smallest number we need to take here, and nearest and smallest number for 17 is 16. Yes, this is nearest also, and this is smaller than 17. So 2 8s are 16. We need to write like this. Below, under the 7 you need to write 6, and under 1 this one we need to write here. Okay, then subtract the numbers. Okay, after subtracting, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes, so your remainder is 1 and your quotient or answer is 48. Yes, these steps you need to remember. Okay, first you need to compare the numbers. Yes, then you need to divide this tens place number first and write the answer here, that is remainder. Okay, subtract the numbers and write the answer here or remainder. After that, what you have to do, you have to take this ones place number below here, okay, beside this one, and after that we need to check the number whether it is present in 2 table or no. After checking, what we have to do, if the number is not present in the given table, then we need to see that the number smallest to the given number, and it should be nearest number. The smallest and nearest number we should take and write the answer here, and after that we need to subtract. Okay, see here one more example I will explain you. Here 3 is divisor and 85 is your dividend. Yes, 3 is divisor, so write the 3 table first. Okay, children, take one rough paper and write down the 3 table here. Okay, the divisor number you should write down here. Okay, divisor number table you should write down and keep ready. Okay, now here 85 is there. We need to compare the numbers first. 3 tens are 30 is the last number in 3 table. Yes, and 85 is bigger than 30. Yes, in this case what we need to do, we need to follow the division of number of 5 steps. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to divide the number which is present in the tens place first. In tens place 8 is there. First we need to divide this 8, then this 5 afterwards we need to take here down. Okay, now see here in 3 table 8 is not there. Yes, in 3 table 8 is not there. So what number we should take? We have to write down the 3 table and we need to take the number which is nearest and smallest to this 8. Okay, now see here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 is there. 9 is bigger than 8. Yes, and so what number you will take? You will take 6. It is nearest also and it is smaller than 8 also. Yes, 3 twos are 6. Yes, in divisor place 3 is there, quotient is this 2, and 6 you need to write under this 8. Okay, 3 is there here, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6, you need to write like this. Yes, now after writing this, subtract the numbers. Okay, 8 minus 6, put a subtraction sign minus here, then 8 minus 6 is 2. Yes, if you subtract 6 from 8 you will get answer 2. Okay, now next step is you need to take this 5 here down. Now we have divided here 8. Now we need to take 5 here down. We have finished with 8. Now we have to divide this 5. Okay. Now check that in 3 table 25 is there or no. Okay. See here in 3 table 25 is there, children? No, 25 is not there. Now we have to take the nearest and smaller than the 25. The number which is smallest and nearest to 25. Okay. The number which is smallest to and nearest to 25 is 24. That is 3 8s are 24. So 3 8s are, here we need to write how much are, that is 8s are, 3 8s are 24. Yes, 3 8s are 24. Now subtract the numbers. Yes, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes, so your answer is, quotient is 28 and remainder is 1. This is divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay. Now one more sum we will solve. Okay. They have given here in the divisor place 7. Write down the 7 table first. Okay. First you need to compare the numbers. Yes. 7 tens are 70 is the last number and 98 is there. 98 is bigger than 70. Yes. So what we'll do, we'll divide this 9 first. Afterwards we'll divide this 8. Okay. See in 7 table 9 is there or no. Check that in 7 table 9 is there or no. In 7 table 9 is not there. And smaller and nearest for 9 is, the smaller and nearest number for 9 is 7. Yes. 7 ones are 7. Yes. We need to write like this, then subtract the numbers. 7 ones are 7. Now subtract the numbers. If you remove 7 from 9, you will get 2. Okay. You will get 2. Then next step is you need to take this 8 here down. Now we have finished dividing this number and we got the remainder 2. Now we'll take this 8 and we'll divide. Okay. Take this 8 here down. Then divide the numbers here. Okay. Check that in 7 table 28 is there or no. Okay. See, this is the 7 table. Check here 28 is there or no. 28 is there. Yes. That is 7 4s are 28 is there. Write that here. 7 4s are 28. And subtract now. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes. Your answer is 14. That is quotient is 14 and remainder is 0. Yes. Now we'll solve one more sum. 4 is a divisor and 93 is a dividend. Yes. And 4 tens are 40 is the last number and 40 is smaller than this 93. In this case what we have to do, we have to divide the number in the tens place first. Okay. Check that 9 is there or no in the 4 table. Okay. Write down the 4 table and check. Okay. See here in 4 table 9 is there or no. Check here. In 4 table 9 is not there. And smaller and nearest for 9 number is this 8. Yes. That is 4 2s are 8. Yes. 4 is here. 2 you are going to write here. And your answer 8 is here. 4 2s are 8. Yes. Remember this step. 4 2s are here up. 8 is down. Okay. Don't write 8 here and 2 here. Okay. 4 2s are 8. Yes. Then subtract the numbers. 9 minus 8 is 1. Yes. Now we have finished dividing this 9. Then take this 3 here down. Okay. Write this 3 here down. Now check that in 4 table 13 is there or no. Okay. In 4 table 13 is not there. But nearest and smaller than 13 is 12. Yes. This is nearest and smallest number than the 13. Yes. that is 4 3s are 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12. You are going to write down here. Okay, then subtract the numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your quotient is 23 and remainder is 1. Okay, solve the remaining sums, children. If you have any doubts, please do ask. Okay, solve the sums from page number 79, 80 and from page number 81. Okay, take 2 days time, solve this all the sums, learn the tables first. Okay, solve these sums and send me. And there is one more exercise in the page number 81, that is simplify. Start and end. Okay, see here they have given numbers in these circles and signs they have given: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication sums they have given. See the numbers and the signs they have given here and do the sum here. Okay, simplify the numbers. See here 3 and 4 is there, and between this 3 and 4 they have given multiplication sum. Then this means we need to multiply this 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Then your answer till here is 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Then 12 minus 0 is 12 only. If you subtract 0 from 12, you will get the answer 12 only. Okay. Then next 12 plus 7 will be 19. Here addition sum is there. So we need to add the numbers, the answer and the 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. Yes, 12 plus 7 is 19. Then 19 minus, here minus sum they have given, that is subtraction sign they have given. 19 minus 9 we have to do here. 19 minus 9 will be 10. The answer you will write here. We have started with the 3, then multiplied 3 with 4, then we got the answer 12. Then subtraction sign is there. We have subtracted 0 from 12. The answer we got as 12. Then addition sign they have given. So we have added 12 plus 7. Yes, 12 plus 7 will be 19. Then we have subtracted, here subtraction sign they have given, subtracted 9 from 19 here, and we got the answer 10. Okay, simplify the remaining two numbers here. Okay, simplify, write the answer and send me. And in the page number 82, 5 division story sums they have given in page number 82. Okay, now I am going to read the story problems. See the exercise, read each story problem, solve, show the working. Okay, see A1 here. David has 63 marbles. David has 63 marbles. He divides them equally among his 9 friends. How many marbles does each friend get? See here, total number of marbles are 63. They have given here. Okay, and he divides them equally among 9 friends. He gives marbles to his 9 friends. Then how many marbles does each friend got, that we need to find out and write the answer. Okay, so 63 is a dividend here, that is total number they have given, and 9 friends are there, that is the divisor. We need to write the numbers like this, then we need to divide the numbers. Okay, check that in 9 table 63 is there or no. In 9 table 63 is there, that is 9 sevens are 63. Yes, 9 sevens are 63. This is the simple division sum. Yes, which we have learnt in the last class. Yes, 9 sevens are 63. Then subtract the numbers. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6 is also 0. Yes, then the question is your answer. Each friend gets 7 marbles equally. Okay, then remaining sums. 4 sums you need to solve and send me. Okay. See children, after doing this division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number, the answer whatever you get, whether it is correct or wrong, if you want to check that, then they have given one formula here, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the formula to check whether we have done the division sum correctly or no. Okay. See for example, here divisor is 3, dividend is 85, quotient is 28 and your remainder is 1. Okay. We'll see this sum is correct or no by keeping the numbers in the formula. Okay. See here dividend is 85. Keep that 85 in the dividend place, equal to quotient. Quotient is 28. Quotient is 28 multiplied by divisor is 3. This is our divisor. Yes. Keep this 3 here. Then plus sign. Then the remainder. Remainder is 1. Yes. Then see the signs here. Here multiplication sign is there and here addition sign is there. Yes. Multiply these two numbers here first. Okay. 28 multiplied by 3 we have to do. How we will multiply children? 28 multiplied by 3. This way we do. Yes. 3 8s are 24. 2 in the carry over place, then 4 here down. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 2 8. 84. Yes. 84. Yes. This we have solved now. Okay. 28 into 3 is 84 plus this 1. 84 plus 1 is 85. Yes. Here also 85 is there. Now the sum is correct. The dividend is 85 and the quotient into divisor plus remainder is also 85. Yes. Now whatever we have solved, this sum is correct. Yes. By using the formula we can check whether we have solved the division sum correctly or wrong. Okay. So solve all the sums and send me. Okay. Thank you.